Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunissi Ali University Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our fifth lecture titled What is Econometrics? So I have divided my fifth lecture into the following elements as follows. What is econometrics? What are the main types of econometrics? Language activities, including building vocabulary, and finally your assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. So what is econometrics? Econometrics is the use of statistical and mathematical models to develop theories or test existing hypotheses in economics and to forecast future trends from historical data. What are the main types of econometrics? There are two branches of econometrics: theoretical econometrics, applied econometrics. Language activities, the word as a noun, countable and unaccountable noun is prediction, means statement that says what you think will happen. The act of making such a statement, for examples, let me get your predictions on a final score. Finally, your assessment. So learners, please don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.